Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Pilgrim Outdoors. I was gonna do my intro outside and earlier, but I showed up stupid early this morning. There was like no light to be had. I'm pretty much in the middle of a storm right now. At least it's turned into a giant windstorm. So I'm currently inside my tent, keeping warm, staying out of the elements because we have crazy winds right now. But I'm out here on Lake Winnipeg again. Like I said, I would probably spend most of my season here because it's just convenient and easy. But I will be doing other exploratory and adventures later on in the year. But for now, I'm enjoying what Lake Winnipeg has to offer with the amount of ice that we do have. We're out here chasing Greenback walleyes again. Same program as last time. Jigging rod with a rattle bait, dead stick with a minnow. I'm in 12.5 feet of water, and yeah, it's been super slow. I seriously think that the weather is playing a very key factor to the fish shutting down. Obviously, they're not fully acclimatized to the new conditions since we've only had ice for probably about a month now. So I'm assuming that with the changes in weather right now, because we're about to have a big cold snap, these fish are kind of traumatized at the moment. So we'll see what happens. We'll see how the day goes out. This might not be a super long episode, but I think I might carry this episode back home. I think I got some pretty neat things to show you guys that I'm pretty excited about. So stay tuned, hang out with me, enjoy the day fishing with me, and let's get some monster walleye. Hopefully something big swims up the hole today. But yeah, let's get it. There we go. First fish of the day on the loomy. Oh, nice. Healthy eater. Oh, you guys in your walleye wards, so gross. Changed it up today. The rattle bait was not working for me, so I used a rattle spoon with a minnow head, and it produced me a warded up yet beautiful greenback, as per usual. Once again, what this area is classically known for. Oh yeah, beautiful eaters. Going back. Oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. 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 I think I just got a master right there. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh, please be a master. Holy. Ladies and gentlemen, I just caught a 29-inch, well, it's like 29, almost a quarter inch walleye at Balsam Bay. Oh my god. That thing hit so hard. So hard. Oh, let's get you down there. Let's have a drink. Oh my god. As if this just happened. Oh guys, I can't even believe it. Look at this big mama I just pulled out. 29 and almost a quarter. What a tank. Long, skinny. I don't know, hopefully maybe a male, but what a beautiful fish. Absolutely stunning. I can't believe it. It's my only fish of the day. Like, holy hell.
I just can't. I can't. I'm losing my mind right now. I gotta get this beautiful girl back. Boy, girl, who knows? Oh, unbelievable.
Oh my god. What a stunning, stunning, stunning fish. Okay, let's get you back, baby. Let's get you back. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yes! 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 Oh, I can't even believe it. Oh, my fishing year has been so bad. So bad. And that just made up for my first 4 weeks of fishing. Like, I don't even know what to say right now. I am literally absolutely dumbfounded. I don't care if I catch another fish for the whole entire damn day.
Oh my god, I can't believe that happened. Wow, like if that's the only fish of my day, like I don't care. I really don't care. I can't believe in all my years of fishing at Balsam, the biggest I've ever seen in my tent or a buddy's tent was 25 inches. The fact that I pulled out a 29 inch, not saying it's not possible, this is Lake Winnipeg we're talking about here. We have giants. But I'm one to believe that this area doesn't necessarily hold big fish. Lots of eaters, thousands upon thousands of eaters, and obviously the occasional big fish. But oh my god. Now the thing is, I don't know how much of that I actually got to record because I was dealing with one fish on one side, and it may have been the same fish because my transducers are so close together. But when I look back at my other one, big red mark, and my dead stick was just bobbing. I was like, oh my god. Set the hook, landed a 29-inch walleye. I can't believe this. What a start to my year on Lake Winnipeg. This is only my third occasion out. I have no complaints. Absolutely no complaints. Better start than any other year on Lake Winnipeg I've ever had. Oh, I need a second to recuperate. But goddamn, that's awesome. So pumped right now. So jacked up. I don't know if you can see that, but my tent is kind of collapsing in due to the wind. Big windy is being big windy today. It is so windy outside. It's borderline whiteout conditions. I left my jacket in the truck because this morning was pretty nice. And now I'm instantly regretting it because it's going to suck. My walk back is going to suck. So guys, like I said earlier in my video, I am back at home now, and I had some big surprises, such as a brand new ice auger, which I'm gonna open and enjoy, and on my next video, we'll be using it. Can't wait to try out my new ice auger next weekend. It is going to be super exciting. I know I'm super behind on owning one of these things. They've been out for 3 years now, but that's besides the point. I finally got one. I'm super excited to use it. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it, how efficient it actually is, how great it actually is, and hopefully promote this product to you guys for you to pick up, because I believe and stand by this product, even though I haven't owned one, but I've used many of them. Can't wait for next weekend. Super pumped. It's going to be an awesome time fishing. Don't know what I'm going to fish for yet. Thanks for tuning into this week's episode of Pilgrim Outdoors. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was exciting right from the beginning, right to the very end. If you enjoy the content,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.